So this is the leftovers. Sorry about that, my GoPro accidentally missed some. Also just found this week. So I'm doing this tracking. Yeah, it's still a different day. I'm really annoyed that my GoPro did this. It's like split here. Anyways, so I think I'll have to cut last time, but it's weird. I just watched video then. So basically just for a couple of weeks ago, I'm really very good. Just found it. I realized this week. So this is my City of Moreland recyclables crate. It's pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, happy to have that. Then it's my Moreland City Council grant. I'm still not sure what this one is used for, but yeah. I got food scraps, fogo bin, my City Council. Oh shit. Right, anyways, so yeah. This is my two favourite big skins. I'm really happy to have this. But yeah, it's pretty good. I also have this one. What am I doing? In the garbage bin. So yeah, 2 pins. Pretty cool. And for working it. So I've got a Alpine food waste sticker and Marybeck food waste sticker. I'll go through my region to my videos. So found this one last week on Thursday. It's Winnie Valley City Council cycling 240 metre cycling. And yeah, just got a cycle sticker. I haven't checked where this one was made. Let me see. I'm not sure yet. Probably go into it for the next bit update, but yeah, I'm really happy to get this one. Yeah. Now I've got wheels. I got a garbage 80 litre one. Yeah. A very nice one. Yeah. So yeah, that's all. Thanks, I'm sorry for a second video that I had that one. Yeah, I should use this camera for updates. I'm not that used to my GoPro yet. So yeah, thanks for watching.